Okay, so first things first, my hair is freshly washed. You may see some water flying off of it, but it is freshly washed. And so today I'm going to be drying it out, and also I will be straightening it and then clipping my natural hair because it is time. One thing that I know that I just want to let you guys know as well, when you are looking for a time to cut your ends, they say every 6 to 8 weeks you should trim your hair. Also, I notice my hair gets very matted and it gets very dry, and also with my hair texture it gets very tangly, so when it's time to clip, especially towards the ends. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this. I'm not gonna talk very much, and so the first step is going to be step 3 is trim time. I do use hair scissors. Mine are stainless steel, however you can, the best thing for you to use is hair shears. I've got mine from the beauty supply store. It's not good for you to use regular scissors on your hair. So to trim your hair, at least, to do anything, even on your weave, you don't want to use that type of scissors. You want to use scissors that are really meant for cutting hair. I may not do it as a typical person because I'm not licensed to do this. I just trim my hair the best way that I know how. So I'm just showing you guys that process in hopes that maybe you guys, do the same thing, give me some feedback, let me know. And I can probably try to implement that in my routine as well. I'm always here to learn and teach you guys what I do if you don't know. So, hey guys, so my camera died, so I have you on my phone so that I can finish this video up for you guys. You guys can see how I, again, you know, go ahead and trim my hair. So I'm going to show you guys from this perspective, and this way. Yeah, just a little bit better. So okay, let's continue. So I've already trimmed this piece of my hair. Basically, guys, I know kind of how my hair looks, how it acts and stuff, so I know when it's time to trim my hair. I'm not pressed about how much hair I cut off. I want my hair to be healthy. I mean, you know, hair retaining length is okay, but retaining length that is unhealthy is another thing. You guys can see in this area, you can see how it's longer here, longer, shorter, longer. So this is a pretty straight part, and so all the hair should really be the same length. But when you flip it over, this is an area that obviously is not the same length, you know. So to me, that's not a good thing. That's a little bit of breakage there, you know. That's breakage for whatever reason. That's breakage right there. So I also try to go in and trim that too, because, you know, that needs to be trimmed in order to grow, you know, with everything else. Alright, so that's that. Moving on. I don't know if y'all can see them, but these type of ends right here, this is the type of end that's going to cause you a lot of breakage, a lot of tangling, a lot of all of that. You see those ends? They look bad. And because they are bad. They are pretty bad. So I'm going to show you guys why I'm cutting it. I'm cutting this much off my hair. I'm cutting this much off because that is what's going to create a little bit farther in there. I'm cutting this off. That allows my hair to have a better flow to it initially. What a trim will do. 2 look, 4 look, and even in the front, you know, it really, you guys can see the difference already. Trimmed hair, how beautiful that looks, and this hair over here, which, you see these ends? This is what happens when you need to trim, because it will look like this and it won't fall like this, when in fact, it can fall like this if you have a trim. So, this is a great example. of my hair, freshly trimmed, and I love it. Again, it's flowing the way it's supposed to flow. Got my little clip at the top. No, but it's flowing the way it's supposed to flow. And again, you know, these ends, it's really important that you guys clip your ends. You guys don't have to go to the salon. You guys can do it yourself. Be cautious and take your time, but ultimately you guys can do it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned. I will be styling my hair shortly after. So, oops, sorry guys, I'm holding the camera, so it's a little shaky, but just stay tuned. Watch my second video on how I style it. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys learned something. I hope it was helpful for you. And then you guys, if you have any suggestions for me on how I can better this process, or you guys just do it differently, you know, I'm down to hear about it. So let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys, and smooches. Thanks, bye.